Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI chapters week of VIT-AP University. We'll take a look at a Python topic today which is append method. So it is another very simple and very easy topic. So I'll just head on with an example. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just define a class. Let's name it foo. Not class. I'll define a method. Let's say foo. It has two parameters, which is I and x. Let's define x is an empty list. Okay. X is an empty list and it has one parameter which is I. Other is it. So what this method does, it is just appending. It just appends I and it returns X. So what I'm thinking to do is I'll just append something. I'll just add some element in this list. I just forgot to tell you something, which is dot append. What does dot append do? It is useful in printing, in adding something in the last of the list. Dot append method does. Suppose we have a list. Here we have a list which is X. It is an empty list. We can just print it. I'll just comment it out and I'll just print X. Let's say I'm implementing this thing also. I'll just call this function. Let's check it. We can choose any number. So what it does, it returns empty list. Okay. So X is an empty list. So let me just move it. So what does append does? It just add an element in last of the list. Okay, I'll just show you with an example. Let's try to run it. Just print. I'll just print Y. Okay, you can see it is printing out 0 and 2. And I'll just go a little deeper into this topic and I'll just show you what does this return. So instead of I, what if we do x dot append I? So you try to figure out which will be the output of this following question. Okay, you have 5 seconds to pause the video and answer in the comment section. You may see it is printing out 0, none, 1, none, 2, none. So I think it must be different from your what you wanted out. So I'll just show you why is it printing this thing. Why is it returning none instead of some number? So let's say I'll just define another list Y. So but if we do like Y is equal to Y dot append, in this let's say X, and now if we print Y, you may see it is printing out none. And if we just remove this thing, if we do Y dot append X, it is just adding this X in last of Y. So what does this append does? It just adds something, but it doesn't return any value. It just adds something in the last of the list, but it doesn't return any value. If we do like Y dot append, so you may see it is printing out none. And instead if we do, so it is adding 2 in the last. You may see last number is 78, but I just appended 2 in last of Y. So here it will print none. It will return the value none. But what it will do, it will just add an element in last of Y. So that's why it is adding element in last of Y, but it won't return any value. That's why it is printing out none. I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. We'll try to answer all your doubt. You can just take another look at it, rewind the video, and till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.